Skeletal system. The human skeletal system is the internal framework of the human body. It is composed around 300 bone at the birth. This is total decreased to around 206 bone by the adulthood. After some bone get fused together, the bone mass in the skeletal system makes up about 14% of the total body weight. In the calculation we known as 10 to 11 kg for an average person. The human skeletal system can be divided into two types. First, axial skeletal system and the appendicular skeletal system. The axial skeletal system is formed by skull, vertebral column, and the rib cage and the associated bones. The appendicular skeletal system, which is attached to axial skeletal system, is formed by shoulder joint, pelvic joint, and the bone of upper and lower limbs. Type of skeletal system. First one, the axial skeletal system is the central framework of the body made up of 80 bones. It includes the bones of skull, spine, rib cage, ears, and the neck. The axial skeletal protect the vital organ of the body, support to the muscles, help to the movement of the body. Second type, appendicular skeletal system. It includes 126 bone, the bone of upper and lower limbs, as well as the shoulder and pelvic joint. The appendicular skeletal system is the one of two major bone groups in the body. Appendicular skeletal system support to the muscles and help to movement of the body. Now we are discussing about first axial skeletal system. The 80 bones of the axial skeletal system can be distinguished as follows. The skull comprises 22 bones, out of which 14 are facial bone and 8 are cranial bone. 6 middle ear ossicles, 3 in each side. 1 hyoid bone in the neck, 26 bone of vertebral column, 1 sternum bone as well as known as a 1 breastbone, 24 ribs, 12 in pairs, total 80 bone in axial skeletal system. The skull. The bone of the skull support the structure of the face and protect the brain. The skull consists of 22 bones which are divided into two categories: cranial bone and facial bones. 8 cranial bones are the frontal bone, 2 parietal bones, 2 temporal bones, 1 occipital bone, 1 sphenoid bone, 1 thymoid bone. The auditory ossicles consist of 6 bones: 2 malleus bones, 2 incus bones, 2 stapes, 1 of each bone on each side. The 14 facial bone are the nasal bone, maxillary bones, zygomatic bones, palatine, vomer, lacrimal bones, the inferior nasal concha, and the mandible. All of these bones occur in pair except the mandible and the vomer. Neck and vertebral column. The hyoid bone lies below the mandible. In the front of neck, it acts as a movable base for the tongue and is connected to the muscles of jaw, larynx. The vertebral column or spine column surround and protect the spinal cord, support the head, and act as an attachment point for the ribs and muscles of the back and neck. The adult vertebral column comprises 26 bones, the 24 vertebra, and sacrum and coccyx bone. In the adult, the sacrum is typically composed of 5 vertebrae that fuse into one. The coccyx typically 4 to 3 vertebrae that fuse into one. The adult vertebrae are further divided into 7 cervical, 12 thoracic vertebrae and 5 lumbar vertebrae, 1 sacrum and 1 coccyx. Next one we are discussing about thoracic cage. The thoracic cage, also known as a rib cage, is the skeletal of the chest and consists of 12 ribs, 1 sternum, 12 thoracic vertebrae, and intercostal cartilages. The thoracic cage encloses the protect the organ of the thoracic cavity, including the hearts and lungs. It also provides support for the shoulder joint and upper limbs. Second type of skeletal system is appendicular skeletal system. The appendicular skeletal is composed of bone of the upper limbs which function to grasp and manipulate the objects, and the lower limbs which permit locomotion of the body. It includes the pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle. It attached to the upper limbs to the body, and the pelvic girdle that attach the lower limb of the body. Shoulder joint and upper arm. The pectoral girdle, also known as the shoulder joint, bones provide the point of attachment of the upper limbs to the axial skeleton. In the human, pectoral girdle consists of clavicle, also known as the collar bone, in the anterior side, and the scapula, also known as the scapula, shoulder blades, in the posterior side. The upper limbs consist 30 bone each side, total 60 bone in the upper arm. The humerus is the largest and longest bone of upper limbs. One radius is located along the lateral thumb side. Forearm articulate with the humerus at the elbow. Another one ulna is located in the media aspects pinky finger side of the forearm. It is longer than radius. The ulna articulate with humerus at the elbow. The radius and ulna also articulate with the carpal bones and with each other, which in vertebrates enable a variable degree of rotation of the carpal with respect to long axis of limbs. The hand includes 8 bones of the carpal, also known as the wrist, the 5 bone of metacarpal, also known as the palm, and the 14 bones of the phalanges, also known as the fingers. Next, pelvic girdle and lower limbs. The pelvic girdle attached to the lower limbs because it is responsible for bearing weight of the body and provide locomotion. The pelvic girdle is securely attached to the axial skeleton by strong ligaments. Hip bones or coccyx bone are formed the fusion of three pairs of bones, the ilium, ischium, and the symphysis pubis, the pelvic joint together in the interior of the body, joint called as a pubic symphysis, and the with bones of the sacrum at the posterior of the body. The femur or thigh bone is the longest, heaviest, and strongest bone in the body. The femur and pelvic from the hip joint at the proximal and at the distal, and the femur, tibia, and patella from the knee joint. The patella or kneecap is the triangular bone that lie anterior to the knee joint. The tibia, also known as a sine bone, it is a large bone of the leg that is located directly below the knee. It is the second largest bone of the human body, is responsible to transmitting the weight of the body from the femur to the foot. The fibula or calf bone parallels and articulate the tibia. It does not articulate with the femur and does not bearing weight. The tarsals are the 7 bones of the ankle, and metatarsals are 5 bones of the foot, and phalanges are the 14 bones of the toes. Each toes consists of 3 phalanges. Thank you. Have a nice day.